Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I will be showing you how to use Google Slides. After you've searched for Google Slides, you want to click on this over here. And for students, for this maths project that we are doing, we are simply going to use personal. Click go to Google Slides and choose a template, or you can simply just go for blank if you want to do a very basic one, or create your own template and have more creative freedom. So from here it will directly show you themes, so choose any theme that you would want. You can also import the theme by simply clicking this over here. So I want to choose this as my theme. Now after you've picked your theme, you want to choose the layout. So click layout over here and choose any type of layout you would want. If you want to change the background, click on background. Choose if you want to change the color, or you want to set an image as the background. If you want to choose an image as the background, click on choose image. Click on which source you would want to get the image from. I want to search for it on Google, so I will simply pick the image. Click insert, click done, and there you have it. From here, you can also adjust the text box, so it can be in any position you want, in smaller sizes too. If you also want to add a text box, you can simply click on this over here, or click on insert and add a text box. So add the text box anywhere you would want, and this text box can also be animated, but I will dive into that later. So to start writing the title, simply click to add title and write the name of the assignment and so on. You can modify the color, the boldness, the size, and whatnot by using these features above. And there you have it. This one you can write your name in class, lecturer's name, etc. So now, if you wish to add a new slide, simply click over here, or you can also right click on the slide and click new slide to have a new one. Now if you wish to change the background, the theme, the layout, and so on, simply repeat the steps I've mentioned before. In this one, I will be teaching you how to insert an image. So click insert, click on image, and choose which source you are going to get the image from. I want to source my image from Google, so I will be searching for mine, and I will just be searching. Choose the image, click insert. Again, you can resize it, crop it, format it however you want, and also animate. So there we have it. Now you can also add a link that you can access while you are presenting your slides. So simply click over here for insert link, the symbol. Paste the link that you have chosen, or you can also just simply search for it. This is the example I've chosen. Modify the text above to to name the link and click apply, and there you have it. In the next slide, I will be teaching you how to insert a pie chart, a bar chart, or any graph that you wish to put. So click insert, click on chart, choose whichever type of chart you would want. You can also choose a chart that you have already made in Google Sheets from here. So for instance, I want to choose this chart that I've done in Google Sheets. Simply choose it and click import, and you can have your graph over here. Another thing that you can do is you can also simply make your own. If you haven't made one, click on whichever type of chart you would want. I choose line, and from here click on edit in sheets and modify the graph however you would want. You can also click right over here on linked chart options, open source, and edit it in Google Sheets. Now, as this is for a maths project, we would want to show the data, and the data will be organized in a table. So to do that, you can click insert again, click on table, choose how many columns and rows you would want, click, and there you have it. Adjust the table however you would want. You can make it slightly larger, you can increase the space, and so on. If you wish to delete a slide, you can simply click on the slide that you wish to delete, right click, and click on delete. Now, another helpful tool that's going to be very helpful is if you want to check for any spelling errors, simply pick a slide, copy all, and click on tools, and from there you can click on spelling, spell check, and see if there's any spelling or grammatical errors that you can fix. If there isn't, then simply proceed to transition. Click on the first slide, click transition, click on none under slide transition, click what type of transition you would want. I choose slide from right, adjust the speed, and click apply to all slides if that's what you would want. You can also choose different transitions for different slides. So there you have it. Now on to animation. You can animate almost anything. Simply you can edit a text box that you featured in the slide. You can edit you can animate an image you've inserted, any shapes, any lines, and so on. So click on what you want to animate, click add animation. Under object animations, choose what type of animation you would want. I want it to zoom in. You can also choose it to spin and whatnot. This is the timing and when the animation would appear, so choose any which one that you would want. Adjust the speed and click on play, and it will show you how it would look like. There you go. Now, if you want to share your slides, you can click on share, name your project, or you can skip and simply add people that you wish to share the slides with. And also you can set the sharing, so either they can edit the slides if they wish, and so on. There you go, click done. If you want to email it directly, you can simply click on File, click Email as attachment, and send it to whoever you want, and in what type of folder you would want, and click Send. You can also make it available offline and download it in any form that you would want. You can download it in PDF version and so on. If you wish to delete it, simply click Move to Bin, or go back to the home page and click these three dot features and click Remove. However, that is not what we want to do today, so there we have it. You can also print your slide if you wish to. You can also choose the language in which your slide is going to be in, so you can choose for it to be in Bahasa Melayu and whatnot. Now, if you're ready to present, click on Present, and you can choose to make your own question and answers for the audience, and simply present. There. To exit the presentation, simply click Exit to stop presenting, and there you go. Don't forget to name your slides, and there you go.